Have you ever lose your phone inside your own house and you are going completely crazy looking for it? I am about to show you a FREE trick that makes your phone SC-REM so loud you will find it in seconds. Open Google on any phone or laptop and type exactly this, find.my.device. Your phone appears right here on the map. Now hit play sound, this button right here. I just pushed my phone completely under this sofa. My hand is empty, nothing in it. Now watch this. I tap play sound on the laptop and you hear that? Listen to it go. Found it in less than 10 seconds. No app, no money, just Google. iPhone users frame, go to iCloud.com, click Find My Mo, does the exact same thing. Nobody is left out. And share this with whoever is always losing their phone, for you know exactly who that is. Subscribe right now and comment below, hey, did you enjoy this? I read every single one comment. See you next time.